Hello vegan athlete, and welcome to today's video, where we talk about how to boost your performance naturally with the best omega-3 rich plant-based foods. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a vital role in our overall health. They are particularly beneficial for active individuals as they support heart health, reduce inflammation, and aid in muscle recovery. Omega-3s also contribute to brain function and can enhance cognitive performance, which is crucial for maintaining mental sharpness during workouts. Omega-3 fatty acids consist of three main types: alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, eicosapentenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. While EPA and DHA are primarily found in fish and seafood, ALA is the plant-based omega-3 precursor that our bodies can convert into EPA and DHA to some extent. It's important for active vegans to focus on consuming adequate ALA-rich foods to ensure a sufficient omega-3 intake. If you have an active lifestyle, you can greatly benefit from incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. Here are some key advantages. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to support cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease. They help lower triglyceride levels, regulate blood pressure, and decrease inflammation in the arteries, promoting optimal heart function for active individuals. Inflammation reduction. Intense physical activities can lead to inflammation in the body. Omega-3s possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate muscle soreness, joint pain, and swelling, enabling active vegans to recover faster and continue pursuing their fitness goals. Muscle recovery. Engaging in regular workouts puts stress on the muscles, leading to microscopic damage. Omega-3 fatty acids aid in muscle repair and growth by promoting protein synthesis and reducing muscle breakdown, ensuring active vegans can bounce back quickly and enhance their athletic performance. Brain function. Omega-3s play a crucial role in supporting cognitive function and brain health. They help maintain the integrity of cell membranes in the brain, improve neurotransmitter function, and enhance memory and concentration, all of which are essential for active individuals looking to optimize their mental performance. Joint health. Strenuous physical activities can strain joints and increase the risk of conditions like arthritis. Omega-3 fatty acids possess lubricating properties that can help reduce joint stiffness and promote joint flexibility, allowing active vegans to move more comfortably and prevent long-term joint issues. Now, let's explore the top plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids that active vegans can incorporate into their diet. Flax seeds and chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in ALA, the plant-based omega-3 precursor. Sprinkling ground flax seeds or chia seeds on smoothies, salads, or oatmeal is an easy way to boost your omega-3 intake. Walnuts are another delicious and rich source of omega-3s. Snack on a handful of walnuts or add them to your favorite vegan dishes for a crunchy and nutritious omega-3 boost. Hemp seeds. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, hemp seeds provide a complete protein source for active vegans. Sprinkle them on top of yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or add them to baked goods for an extra dose of nutrition. Algal oil. Derived from algae, algal oil is an excellent plant-based source of DHA and EPA. It is available in supplement form and provides active vegans with a direct and reliable source of these essential omega-3 fatty acids. Spirulina and chlorella. These green superfoods not only offer an array of nutrients but also contain ALA and trace amounts of EPA and DHA. Including spirulina or chlorella in your smoothies or incorporating them into your recipes can contribute to your omega-3 intake. Seaweed and sea vegetables. Nori, kombu, and wakame are examples of seaweed and sea vegetables that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These versatile ingredients can be used in sushi rolls, salads, or soups, providing a unique flavor and a nutritious omega-3 boost. Soybeans and tofu. Soybeans and tofu are plant-based protein sources that also contain omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate them into stir-fries, curries, or grilled dishes to enjoy their health benefits while meeting your omega-3 requirements. Another great source of omega-3 fatty acids is Brussels sprouts. These are cruciferous vegetable that offers a range of health benefits, including omega-3 fatty acids. Roast or steam Brussels sprouts as a side dish, or add them to salads for a nutritious and flavorful addition to your meals. Kale and spinach. These leafy greens are not only rich in vitamins and minerals but also contain omega-3 fatty acids. Include kale and spinach in your salads or smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish to enhance your omega-3 intake. Cauliflower, another great source of omega-3 fatty acids, is a versatile vegetable that can be used as a substitute for rice, mashed potatoes, or even pizza crust. Its omega-3 fatty acids content makes it a valuable addition to your plant-based omega-3 sources. Should you take omega-3 supplements? While it's possible to obtain omega-3 fatty acids from plant-based sources, some active vegans may opt for supplements to ensure they meet their daily requirements. Omega-3 supplements derived from algae are a popular choice as they provide a direct source of DHA and EPA without relying on fish-derived products. Before incorporating any supplements into your routine, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian who can guide you based on your individual needs and lifestyle. By adding these foods to daily meals and considering omega-3 supplements when necessary, you can ensure you meet your omega-3 requirements for optimal health, performance, and overall well-being. Thanks for watching up to this point. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in the comments section below, and if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can receive more vegan nutrition tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of your vegan diet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.